Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. I know that this time is extremely weird for everyone, and also a little bit scary, and I hope everything's fine with all of your family and everything like that. Everything's fine with mine, so I'm happy about that, but it's still a very weird time. Now, for today, I thought we would do galaxy nails, but social distancing galaxy nails. Get it? Space. We want to keep space between ourselves. That's I know it's stupid, it's such a dad joke, but anyway, I really hope you like it. It's been such a long time since I've done a galaxy, and I really do like the way this one turned out. Anyway, let's get into it. I really hope you like it. So for this social distancing galaxy, we're starting off with 2 coats of a very dark blue polish. This is so dark it looks black, but it's actually a very, very dark blue. And then we're using some ripped up sponges, little pieces of ripped up sponge, and sponging on some white polish. Now for this nail, this is the ring fingernail. I'm doing it in a diagonal pattern and just splotching here, there, and everywhere. There's no rule. There's not really very many rules for a galaxy nail art. It's just do whatever you like, but start off with a white base for your sponging, because that way all of your colours will stand out a lot better. Now, once you've got your white sponged, polished base down, you can then come in with your favorite colors. Now you can use whatever colors you like for this. I'm starting off with a blue, and then after that I'm going to come in with a little bit of lavender. Now you can use 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 colors. It's completely up to you. Next I'm coming in with a lime green. It's almost like it's a pastel neon lime green color. It's really, really pretty. Now at this stage I got to this point and I thought, I'm not sure this is going exactly the way I want it to. So a lot of the time, and this is another thing that's really great about galaxies, is when you use your base, you can come back in with your base and just sort of completely change things up. And that's what I did with this one, because I didn't like where it was going. And so what you can do is actually bring the same color as your base in and actually really change up what your galaxy is going to look like in the end. And you can cut through different bits or completely remove all of the color that you've already put on there. Because you're sponging everything on, it can actually take quite a few coats, because the bits or the sponging is very, very thin. So you have a lot of creative license with this. As you can see, I came in with a bit more white, now I come back in with a bit more of the dark blue, and you just keep doing this until you like what you see. Once you get to the end, you'll see that it was worth going through all of this. But that's why galaxies are so much fun, because there is no really hard and fast rules apart from that first one, which is the white sponging base, so that your colors can stand out really nicely. Now, once you've got your galaxy to where you think you kind of want it, you can come in and add some of the more galaxy kind of like attributes, like little star things. Now you can do this in lots of different ways. You can even use a toothbrush. I've done that a lot, but in this particular instance I'm just using the tip of a very, very fine paintbrush, and then I'm going to try and do a little bit of a star. Not doing a comet on this one. I would ordinarily have done a teeny little comet. That's what I usually do, but this one I just didn't think there was enough room for it, and I didn't really I wasn't feeling it for the comet, so maybe next time I do a galaxy I'll do a little comet. And once you've finished with all of that, you can go ahead and do whatever cleanup that you need to do. I'm not doing a cleanup portion on this video, but feel free to slow it down if you really want to watch it. And finally, once you're all done with that, you can go ahead and seal it in with your favorite top coat. And that's it. I really hope you like this one. I hope you all stay safe and look after each other, be kind to each other, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. See ya. I'm going now. Bye.